To talk to students whom Mheshimiwa is supporting through his initiative. We want to give you glory because of him. Thank you for these students, thank you for the parents, thank you for the leadership of the South Mugirango constituency. Oh God, we pray that you help us, you give Mheshimiwa grace and favor and the leadership of South Mugirango. Hamjambo wanafunzi na walimu na wale
How are you? How are you?
Kuna jana nilisema na ngine sana.
Hawa ni wengi bwana. Weka tu kwa mkato wewe. Wewe unakaa huko, wewe umerudia shule sana. Toka kwanza hapa wewe umerudia shule sana. Kwa form ngapi? Form 3. Ulipata grade gani? Nilipata D+. Wewe ni D+. Sasa, what's your name? What's your name? Haya, na wewe? Gas, Robert, na wewe? Thomas. Elijah.
Ngoja.
Maro, yes, hii sura ni ya Maro, ndio maana nimeona kabisa. Francis kutoka Moniangu.
Sawa, ndio shiko nitaandika report.
Moniangu jina? James. Lewis kutoka Ikoro. Kutoka Maro. So, unasoma wapi? Wewe ukai kutoka Nyahururu. Wewe unasoma wapi? Ugate abana ba minto kunkara na abo spirit abana yabale basoma secondary chaito. Most of these kids are from vulnerable families. Lakini baiteta tem class sana isatu. Mwaka ulionde tukaba kanere school fees last year bakagende school. Na rere tuachire kuba kanere school fees. Kulienjira bakagenda na school kuina na school chiabo. Program ye kuruku mentorship program ndu wakanta tubana busayo katu abakanire muna abatu achorire kigara bare under full scholarship tuko baumira either riba secret school gose riba guchikora muna abana gukiye ngwenda bare tuamanya na kibago progress to bare target ngoko ikyase getiga enge competition tuko gusuguma twako kumenta twataka kumanya nkita itapaba in future muri mabugago na kokokonya kuibanga asobugima. So every time lazima tubaumire tumanye ngusirire enjira nakiba korete last time nkitakire tokokonyo kore buya na next time, you know, and it's a program, and that's why toko Osoro care club care entirely over everything to care over one angle ngane fees wakaniro mwana pekete tuma tuso mwana nguti ya school mwana agende school airane atige abana ko nyamune ruse tu tenta tu nyore ntamera ko nyora abana mbali bachete baka watara bobe, you know, nyanga manyaruka abana babuga tandeti. Those are some of the things to go kwandira abana to abamenta to abagai to what ya you early pregnancy is wrong with it. That is what we are discussing today. Tiro Mugirango, ekere kya Mugirango turachakira abwe because tinda agenda anywhere else nchendo mugambi Mugirango ekende kera abana bawuchi okora matemu gutangasa turi muna bana tuwatangasa bana bali bayigete amag 350 ba register office, understand banyorira marube gochigoro ba register office mu mwaka oyo scrutiny na agenderete na ende strictly criteria ne lazima obe ko korete ku school cha Mugirango. Why? Ntari ko mu school cha ito ngiyo gutamera kuruga uji gukora matemu asa ngao omago jabenga bana achire nsome no mbuyanto kusigete ntu kwanjete lakini na utaho kwa basari lakini tali area scholarship school ya Mugirango tutari kwimoki. So what we said, okole school ya Mugirango, that is criteria. School ya Mugirango chinyinge, to what school chinyinge over 150.
Even private or public?
It doesn't matter. As long as it's school ya Mugirango. Number 2, obo Mugirango. Inere criteria. Number 3, from the format going to get to Rabagambi Bekenyoro. Bado tebina kyo muchiyoyore. Muchiyoyo ngaki abantu bali chibesa nchironke. Onye chironke na ndego yetire tuko support yake. Na no kiagara abantu nabange. No mubuli nere abo support yake.
OCD and all the protocols of that. I want to welcome you to our program.
So what I want to tell you is that this is a privilege. When you get this money, the personal money from Mheshimiwa, go and work extra hard so that when you come back here at the end of the term, your souls must be amusing, must be the wonderful soul that you never scored.
So, abantu na babono igana wabariga muno yonga yogoso. Migori. Nga yogoso. Kanyawanga nga yogoso. Chafakali boys nga yogoso. Nyakachi girls nga yogoso. Tengecha girls nga yogoso. Sironga girls nga yogoso. Sigoti girls nga yogoso. Butere girls. Oje bakosoma chi school cheito chia Kenya chingi abana bayetete buya kabisa. And they call from different wards, different areas. Ward kyokuruga Mugirango. Moticho ward nga yokuru. Moticho nga yokuru. Boikanga ward nga yokuru. Makara ere Chitago ward. Tamanye tia ward ya. Ya. Nga yokuru. Chitago boro ward nga yokuru. Moticho ward nga yokuru. Boikanga ward nga yokuru. It's a program across na ndebono application here open. Kukisha kuikiri kuigetia magisi yali atakeire compete na ndo prove ngaikane you are not able to raise the fees. We come here in your support, and that is why today we are here with the kids for purposes of motivation. To all the professionals mnaba nabono nju oya okora as a airline.
Korana endege kurukunga Fly Emirates. Mumete Fly Emirates. Bari mwanjite mepero mweta mangana Emirates. Taibo. Ngokorese.
Bona abana mbarega okonyora batayite gukora. Obo pilot abandi batayite gukora. Abandi batayite gukora mangana ya cabin crew imaria. So twali gyo muntu bwate expertise on that line. Nero mogeni. Akwane abakwanire. Aba encouraging and abo go fly. Abo kuru kenyoro go fly. That is why tubwate program irero. Mugavana akora akobika abantu ali stadio atanga leta certificate cha ino eti fake au kwane Kiswahili bikabe ku TV ona mata wanyanga gusi oboibi oboichire kuba matebe efunfe fake ona basikali abantu bakoro ku invigilators bakamenya chi county cha gusi okaba maitenga intu tukuibira batemu kera baraiba itu na bagokwana so ntari bate na baraye kero to kwane 20 ya siasa nini tafadhali lenda kwa lende rieta yo mugusi but we hope for the best. Fantastic. Watu wengi. Wacha waketi. Ketini sasa.